Welcome to another CMD tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get serial number using CMD. All right. First thing that you need to do here, as you can see, we are on the Ryan C's user profile. We will want to go back to the C directory or the root drive or the root directory. All right. This is where our OS is installed. What we're going to do is just type in cd / and hit on enter. All right. Now type in wmic BIOS space get space serial number. All right, hit enter. As you can see here, it says WMIC is not recognized, as it is because we are currently using Windows 11, which is the latest version of Windows 11, and WMIC is lost. All right, you cannot open it in command prompt. All right, if you're using Windows 10, you should be able to just type in WMIC BIOS get serial number, and you're good to go. Now, if you're having this issue, well, we will use PowerShell. All right. Now you don't have to leave CMD to be able to use PowerShell. As you can see here, we are currently using the root drive. Just type in PowerShell. All right. Hit enter. As you can see here, we are now currently using PowerShell. Now what we're going to type in here is just simply get -cim instance space win32 _ BIOS vertical line space select space serial number. All right, once done, just hit on enter. And as you can see here, it says mine to be filled by OEM. This one right here, this is not actually an error. This typically appears when a systems manufacturer or motherboard vendor, all right, doesn't provide specific information about the serial number or SKU. This is often seen in self-built or custom computers. And this one right here is a custom computer. If your computer is bought via vendors, or for example, you bought a computer from HP, you should be able to see your serial number right here. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.